Hello everyone. Today we are going to read Dogman by Dave Pilkey together. I'm excited because this story is full of fun, adventure, and creativity. After I finish reading the book aloud, each of you will have two assignments. One is to list the parts of a book, like the title page, the author's name, the publishing company, and the table of contents. The other is to write a book report where you share who the book is about, your favorite parts, and your personal opinion, and then add a drawing to show your feelings about the story. Let's get started and enjoy this creative journey.
I'm really excited to be part of this adventure. I feel like I'm already becoming a little superhero.
I love how this story makes me think deeply about every animal and detail.
I can't wait to tell everyone about my blue budgie and how I imagine all the fun.
Great energy, everyone. Now, let's dive right in. Now, I will read aloud, Dogman. As I read, please listen closely and try to picture everything in your mind. In this story, Dogman is a brave character who faces challenges with humor and kindness. I want you to notice how the author uses playful language and exciting details to bring the story to life. Imagine the busy city streets, the unexpected twists, and the funny mishaps Dogman encounters. Every sentence is filled with energy. Listen to how each word paints a picture of adventure and fun. I hope you feel the excitement as the words come alive, just as you would if you were following along right beside him.
I can almost feel my heart racing, like when I imagine chasing after troublemakers.
I see the colors and the little details of the scene so clearly, like a moving picture in my head.
I even think of playful moments that remind me of my time with my blue budgie.
Remember these moments, everyone, as they will help you with your assignments later. While I was reading, I noticed all of you letting your imaginations soar. It feels wonderful to see you become part of the story. Please share what you felt. For example, I saw David's eyes light up with excitement as he imagined himself as a superhero, just like Dogman. How did you all feel?
I felt really brave and happy, like I could do anything. I pretended my arms were super strong, and I was ready to save the day.
I imagined quietly exploring every little detail and discovering secrets hidden in the pages, just like studying a rare animal in the wild.
I was hopping around with energy and smiling big, much like when I show off how playful and free my blue budgie is. I even mimicked little chirps in my head.
Now that we have enjoyed the story through our imagination, let's start our first assignment. I want you to list the parts of the book. Begin with creating a title page. Write Dogman clearly at the top because that tells everyone what book you are working with. Next, write down the author's name, Dave Pilkey. Then, add the publishing company's name, which tells us where the book came from. Finally, list the contents of the book, detailing each chapter or story. Write a short summary of what each part tells, noting any scenes that made you laugh or think intensely.
What should I do if I remember a scene differently than what's written?
That's a great question, Michael. Write down your memory alongside the written summary. It shows how you've connected with the story.
So if I write every detail carefully, I'll have a complete and clear picture of the book's structure.
Exactly, Liz. This exercise helps you understand how books are organized while sharpening your note-taking skills. Remember to be neat and precise. Each element from the title page to the contents matters. Your work on this assignment builds a strong foundation for your reading and future writing projects.
I think listing all these parts will help me remember all the exciting details of the book.
For the second assignment, each of you will write a book report on Dogman. Start by writing the title of the book at the top of your report and underline it to make it stand out. Next, write the author's name underneath the title so everyone knows who wrote it. Then, in your own words, describe who or what the book is about. Be sure to include details about Dogman's adventures and what makes him special.
So I just share what I think about his adventures and what I liked best.
Yes, Michael, that's exactly it. After that, mention your favorite part of the book. Think about a moment that made you smile or feel excited and explain why it was your favorite. Finally, write down your opinion. Was the book funny, thoughtful, or exciting? I also want you to draw a picture that goes with your report. Your drawing can show a scene, a character, or even an abstract idea inspired by the story.
I'll explain how brave Dogman is and why his humor makes everything feel uplifting.
I really enjoyed the detailed illustrations and the quiet moments in the story that made me think about animals.
I can't wait to see your creative reports and drawings. Use your unique voice and be honest with your thoughts. This report is all about expressing what Dogman means to you. Today, we explored Dogman in many creative ways. We listened to the story, imagined ourselves as part of it, and learned how to identify important book parts and write a thoughtful book report. I'm proud of your energy and creativity. Thank you for sharing your ideas. I look forward to reading your complete work and seeing your beautiful drawings. Keep being curious and creative, and I'll see you next class.
I loved becoming part of the story.
I enjoyed finding meaning in every detail.